Go ahead.
Ready, Joe? Joe.
Go ahead, man. Shoot that thing.
Rolling.
You missed.
What did I miss? Shot one's a miss. God damn it. This is going to piss me off if I got to hand you this gun. Uh-oh.
Shoot low.
You don't have no iron sights. Oh, low?
Just shoot a teeny bit low. Shoot the bottom of the container. You gotta cock it back. Shoot a little low. Missed again.
Shoot that fucking thing?
No.
Strike two. Strike two, baby.
Strike three, you're out, bitch. You already know it. I don't care how much money you wasted. Rest that gun right above, right here, right here.
It's gonna be loud.
I don't give a fuck how loud it is. Shoot that thing. Don't miss it, because you fucking miss it. You just wasted money. Woo!
Bitches! Yeah!
Yo! That shit was sick! What? I gotta get something to know.
Shit! Holy shit!
Yo, for £1, that's not bad.
Woo! That's no fucking joke! I got you some
Yo! Alright, that was pretty cool.
Woo! That shit was big,
That was loud, nigga. That was loud.
The bottom did not break.
You can feel the wind, dude.
Shockwave.
Yeah, that shit was badass.
Dude, I wonder what that fucking £1, no, what was it, a 5 pound at AGA?
Or imagine
AGA
just buying like 10 of them.
a one that's triple the size of that. That'll take that van out.
Hell yeah.
We could take that
Imagine
van.
taking like fucking,
The van in the back we're taking out.
take like 20 of them shits, dude. And just put them in a bundle. And